Hi viewers, today we are going to do a unboxing and a review of HP 24YH 23.8-inch monitor, and it's a 1080p. It has a IPS display. It has both VGA and HDMI DVI input, and it's a waist mountable. Let's start with the unboxing. Okay, let's open this. Okay. Alright, let's see what we have in here. Okay, we have a cable. Let's try to take it out. Okay. Let's remove that. Let's see. Keep them down. So we have the HDMI cable, stand, monitor, and power cable. Let's take this out and see what we have here. Okay. Okay. So we have the quick setup guide. We have this, how to connect. So this is very useful. Let's fix the holder first. Let me put this paper down. And before putting it, let me show you what are the ports we have. So we have the HDMI, DVI, VGA. That's pretty cool. So none of the monitor I see with the HDMI and DVI together. But this is a cool one. And here you have the waist mount. The holder is simple. You just slide it in on the slot. Okay, done. Now let's put the stand. Okay, take this out. Okay, let's have the monitor. Which way it goes in? This way? Yep. Okay. Now, putting it right. Okay, got the click. So now, yeah. So it's little tiltable. You can tilt it down. You can tilt it up. Alright, so let me put it like this. Let me connect all the cables. Okay, I have connected my laptop to the monitor via HDMI cable. It's a well ventilated room. Still the monitor is bright and it is having an anti-glare screen, so which is good, so it won't reflect the light back to you. And it's a very good decent size, 24 inch. And if you look at it in the front, you won't see any controllers visible because all the controllers is behind the monitor. It doesn't say anything about it, and you just see only this power button. If you put your hand behind it, that's the power button. You can turn off and turn on the monitor. So it's a big LED light is here, and all the controllers you have here, you just need to touch and feel it. So the first button, it'll show the options. If you click, you have options for brightness, contrast, color. You can change multiple settings here. I'll put my camera a little closer so it'll be easier to see. So you can scroll down. There are a lot of image control options here. So this is the standard one I put. Let me go back. I turned off the monitor. Yeah. So working with this controller is a little bit tricky. So choose the monitor, color control, choose it. So you have the option for low blue light, which is good for your eye. You have the warm, you have the neural, you have the cool, and you have the custom options. Let me put it in the low blue light and go back, and let's see image control. This is a quite interesting one here. You have dynamic contrast, sharpness, overscan, video level, everything is there. I think the dynamic contrast is not applicable for low blue light, but rest you can do. You can change the sharpness of the screen. What I can do is let me open a site and see how that looks. Okay, so let's talk about the screen sharpness. The viewing angles are good. If you sit straight, it's super bright. Even from the side, it's looking good. Even from the top, I will show the viewing angles in the different directions in a while. But the text are very crisp, and it's clear and it's sharp. I don't see any smoothing or softening of text here, which is a good thing. I have been using a Lenovo, Dell, even Acer, but if you ask me, this is having a good clarity on the text. Okay, let's look at the images, how it looks. It's not bad. For day-to-day activities, I think it is better if you're looking for any photo editing or video editing. So it's good enough for your work from home options. For photo editing, I don't recommend this. For watching Netflix or watching some videos, I would recommend this. Let's see how the videos looks here. So playing the videos, it's good. I would like to inform you that this monitor does not have a speaker inbuilt, and even it does not have any option for connecting external speaker. So the sound which you are hearing is from my laptop. So I will mute the sound for a while. Yeah, as I said, it's good for watching Netflix or YouTube or something. I don't recommend this for video editing or anything. And this monitor is not a 75 Hertz refresh rate, it is 60. If I go to my graphics command center, I cannot set it beyond 60 Hertz. And if you're looking for a faster refresh rate, it doesn't have, and it does not have a FreeSync, which is for gaming. I would recommend this for day-to-day work activities and watching movie in Netflix or watching some video. So if you go to this and you'll see maximum 60 pixels here, and refresh rate is not beyond that 60. So if you're looking for a better refresh rate, I would recommend go for either Acer. I think Acer or Lenovo for that. So I think we are come to an end. This is for HP 24YH 24-inch monitor, which is a IPS display, full HD. Um, yeah, with anti-glare and a lot of connectivity options, and it's waist mountable, and it has a very clear text and good picture reproduction. I would recommend this for day-to-day activities and for watching a Netflix movie or something like that. If you guys have any questions or any thoughts, just comment me. I will reply as soon as possible. And thank you so much for watching.